Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Suzanne and we're just doing a quick check-in on the tower from the last time it was fed. And if you remember, I put in an avocado and I just wanted to show you this little worm ball that's in here. There you go. They really do love these things. Now, I've already done this top tray, so I'm just going to quickly show you over here. This is the lower tray, and you might remember I also put these toilet rolls all stacked in each other to soak up the moisture, and as you can see they've done that very effectively. Also to give the worms somewhere to go as well. So all I'm doing now is I should get some more light on this. Oh, this one keeps... So this is a brand new light. Ulanzi, you need to sort these lights out. This is the second one. This is a brand new version. And I've already had one faulty. Look. Faulty. Oh, goodness me. So I'm just going to feed these in the middle very quickly. I'm not disturbing them too much because it's still winter here. You see we've got some nice big fat worms. I've got our kitchen scraps. I've made sure that they've eaten everything other than that avocado. It was a full half, and it's a lot of food for these worms. So you need to make sure that you check they've eaten everything before you feed. This is just some worm chow that we're putting in. And then a good dose of the eggshell. Oh, knocking the camera, sorry. Give it a good mix. Get our little pile of worms. Again, I'm sorry, I'm knocking the camera. My back's now really stiff because of the cold. And then we'll cover them back up. So there you go, just a very quick check-in on the tower, just for a quick feed and to show you the little worm ball. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.